Hey everybody, welcome. In this video you will learn how you can clear recently watched TV shows or movies in Netflix. So let's say that I'm going to click on my profile, then I will click here on the profile account, and now what I want to do is to go to my profile down here and viewing activity, click on it, and now what you want to do is to just hide from viewing history. I watched the King movie, so I will hide it. No, appear in Netflix service, and then you'll have like Sex Education Season 1 Episode 8. Bang, bang. I really enjoyed this TV show, by the way. I really loved it. So that's kind of it. And Bodyguard was also crazy good. But yeah, let's delete it, delete. And you can like hide all if you want. Yep. And damn. So this is how you can hide or delete your what you saw, or how we can call it, how you can clear the recently watched. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe, and you know how it goes. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya.